Welcome back. Well, the Karnataka government has announced an elevated corridor connecting Swami Vivekananda Road to Silk Boat, and it has sparked a lot of controversy, particularly among residents of the area, because they believe that not just is it going to affect them traffic-wise. Now, remember, it's going to pass through Indranagar and Domlur, and residents have raised concerns over the project, alleging several gaps in its planning and also the execution plan that has been put in place. The proposed flyover has also triggered apprehensions among local residents, with some even fearing that it could eventually lead to increased property taxes or the imposition of user charges and toll fees.
So we don't really know how many cars are going to bypass in the Indranagar with this corridor. It doesn't have any alternative suggested at all. If the intent was to bypass Indranagar, we should have looked at other means, not just go through a very densely populated zone.
There are a couple of things. One is, I know there's a lot of it's gone viral and there's a lot of sensation around the cost-benefit analysis. I think it's important to understand that this is just a suggestion that they have made in the DPR. It's not really set in stone, because the road itself is not a one stretch, right from Indranagar to Silk Boat. It's going to be fragmented, and hence this is one of the suggestions that they've come to bring in public funding, saying that but it's also skewed in some sense, because they assume that the people around this flyover, their property values will go up, and hence the property tax will actually, once the entire setup is ready, the property tax will increase. That is the funda.
Any urban planning, especially for transport, should be a holistic approach.
Correct.
You should consider other forms of transport, like the public transport, like buses, metros. We are getting another metro line close by also. So we have to think of this also, and at grade, you have to understand how the traffic is flowing. Like my neighbor here has said, none of these aspects have been considered in the DPR. So any improvement has to be a holistic approach. So we have to consider all aspects of the design.